Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to upper bar, and here you can find the button screen recorder. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens, but by tapping on it once, you tap agree. Then you have this small tutorial which tells you that here you can switch microphone, here you can switch screen recording, I mean to end or start it. So got it. After you tap on this button, this recording starts immediately. So here you can also show screen touches, as you can see here, some ball follows my finger, but you can disable it and nobody follows it anymore. You can switch microphone like this, so when you're done recording, tap on this timer here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album videos, and here it is. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. So yeah. After you tap on this button, this recording starts immediately. So here you can also show screen touches, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.